When completed in 1935, Hoover Dam was called the eighth wonder of the world. Rising 221 meters, it contains 6 million tons of concrete, enough to pave a road from New York to Los Angeles. A gigantic concrete pyramid wedged in a desolate canyon straddling the Nevada-Arizona border, 56 kilometers from Las Vegas. The reservoir created by Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, covers 620 square kilometers and has a storage capacity of over 35 trillion liters, enough to cover the entire state of New York in 30 centimeters of water. Hoover's hydroelectric power plant has 17 generators capable of producing 2 million kilowatts of electricity, enough for 1.7 million homes. In sum, a gargantuan public works enterprise.
Hey Paula, where are we?
Somewhere underneath the Hoover Dam.
That's where we get our electricity.
Keep walking into the power plant. Don't stop. Keep
Paula got in trouble.
Got the major. Thanks for building the dam in Art Deco style. His name was Gordon Kaufman. He was an architect from Los Angeles. He came here and gave the Art Deco flair that we see the dam in today. Take your rest of your pictures now. I would like you to wait for me by that door. I'll get in front of you then, and then I'll lead you back to the elevator. We'll go to the exhibits next, okay?
Kind of creepy how water is actually seeping out of a rock right there. Okay, Paula, where are you currently?
On an elevator.
That's a very big
It's very nice. And it moves. Watch the elevator. It goes down.
All right, we are on the observation deck here at Hoover Dam, taking pictures. We are like, how high are we? Like 700 feet?
Yeah.
760, something like that.
Can't get it.
I'm a little nervous to be leaning over the edge here. Someone might push.
Real high.
High scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by
So Tony, Paula and I checked.
Hey, Tony.
There's no bar here,
No.
there's no pool, but
No.
you can feel free to
Dive.
jump.
Oh, dive?
Yeah, you can dive off the edge.
Nowhere.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is plenty of swimming down there.
Yeah, all the way.
There's a high dive, and
Yeah.
then you can go over there. You can go swimming in the lake. But you have to bring your own alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh wait, wasn't there like a cafe place over there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Tony can get something to eat over there.
Yeah, but no alcohol, I don't think.
I'm here at Hoover Dam, and what are the chances that I'm gonna be here and so will Bumblebee? Yeah. Alright, Tony, we are now on the other side, and this is where you get to go diving since you want a pool. Yeah, this is the lake. Right here. Yeah, we're now in Arizona.